Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you all for watching. Please continue to do so and hit the like and subscribe button. In today's video, I demonstrate how I go from dry hair to moisturized hair using fenugreek spray. This concoction is great for damaged hair or simply keeping your hair healthy. Hair loss is a struggle for a lot of people for whatever reason, but from my experiences, y'all, fenugreek has been proven to work for myself, so I'm sharing it with you guys. I typically use this spray for pre-pools as a leave-in conditioner and hair rinses. My hair is stronger, a lot healthier, and shinier since incorporating this into my hair care regimen. Fenugreek seeds grow from a plant and is a natural herb used in Ayurvedic hair care. Also known as methi seeds, they help stimulate blood flow to the scalp. These seeds are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can moisturize your hair and infuse life back into it. These seeds are also high in protein, which helps prevent hair loss, and they contain anti-inflammatory properties that help with dandruff and scalp irritations. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and is a storehouse of minerals such as potassium, calcium, and iron. They also have high protein, which helps prevent hair fall, baldness, and hair thinning. It contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots of hair follicles. So I gave you all a little history of fenugreek seeds. Let's move right along in making the spray. The ingredients list for this DIY is as follows. To make this spray, I use 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and 2 cups of distilled water inside of a double boiler on low to medium heat. You'll know when it's ready because the seeds will begin to swell in size. You will smell the aroma of maple syrup and the water will be tinted. It should be on the heat about 30 minutes. The seed swelling is an indication that the water has absorbed its nutrients. So this is what you want, y'all. I added a few drops of my Naboo Ayurvedic hair growth oil elixir. I let the water cool, strain the seeds, and this is it. This is gold in a bottle. Thank me later. Coming into this style, my hair having been washed, it was old, and this is one of the ways of adding moisture back into my hair right quick. You see the texture after the spray has been applied, y'all. It's extremely soft and vibrant. Oh, you see it. I only used 2 products in doing this look, the spray and the Cantu curling cream. You are seeing me apply that after wetting my hair with the spray. Y'all, I don't apply the spray directly from the bottle because I don't like my hair being too drenched. So I spray it in my hands and rub onto my hair. I always finger detangle my hair first before dealing with any combs or brushes, y'all. It makes detangling a breeze. It's like prepping your hair to comb it, if that makes sense. Also, y'all, I hardly ever worry about parts or parting my hair straight when doing a twist out or braid out, simply because you won't see my scalp, y'all. You will only see my hair. I love the texture and feeling of my hair after applying this, y'all. It really does wonders. It's literally hair food for your hair, and it's good for all textures of hair. Incorporate this and I promise you will see a difference. I did about 8 to 10 plaits, nothing major, and I left them in for a few hours, y'all. This was a very quick style due to limited time. Y'all, one of my favorite hair accessories to have is a detangling brush. Since using this, it has been a game changer for my hair and has cut down detangling time. We all know that can be a hassle. I'm all about convenience and cutting down time, so this is another way of doing so. I honestly feel like every natural sister should definitely have one. It makes detangling 10 times easier, y'all, and nothing, I mean nothing, smooths out my coils to this magnitude. Okay, so once the plaits are installed, I waited a few hours until my hair was completely dry and I began to take them out. I always oil my hands before separating each section, starting at the ends, y'all, as this prevents less tangles and snags. I continue to separate until my whole head is completed. Whatever you do, don't be afraid to change it up. Be confident and just have fun with your hair. I'm all about having fun with your hair as it is a representation of you, y'all. This is the way it looks with minimum plucking, picking, fluffing, or whatever you want to call it. You can stop here if that's fine with you, but I want it bigger. So, of course, I kept going and I basically picked for my life. As you all can see here, I am literally fluffing for my life to get the size afro I want. The gentle pulling of your strands, lifting from your scalp while using a good hair pick can also increase blood flow and stimulate hair growth, y'all. So yes, there are benefits in picking your hair. My 3 tips that works for me when picking is only do so when your hair is dry. Do not overpick as it may cause breakage, and only pick your roots. So yeah, this is it, y'all. Make sure to hit them edges. A style is not complete without the edges done. However, this is my personal opinion. You do what you feel is necessary, but for me, the edges are necessary, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. This is the finished look. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and thank you all again.